Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about sexually transmitted infection, otherwise known as STIs. STIs are very common and easily spread from person to person. There are some that can be treated and curable, while others cannot be cured. Now, by knowing these facts, you will be able to take steps towards protecting your health and living a meaningful life. Don't forget that we all need to be intentional about our health status. All right, come with me as we dive into the facts about STIs. Like I said earlier, STIs are very common, and it is reported that over 1 million STIs are acquired every day. In 2020, the WHO estimated 374 million new infections. You can see how common these infections are. Some of them are curable, while others are not curable. The most common are syphilis, gonorrhea, hepatitis B virus, the herpes simplex virus. You have the chlamydia, you have trichomoniasis, you have the human papilloma virus. However, most STIs are treated and curable by and the use of antibiotics, antiviral medication, but there are 4 out of all of these that I've mentioned that are incurable. Number 1, I call them the 4H. Number 1 is the hepatitis B virus, the herpes simplex virus, the HIV virus, and the human papilloma virus. The human papilloma virus and the hepatitis B virus, there are vaccines for them, and you could get vaccinated so that you could be protected against these viruses. Okay, but these 4, when contracted, are incurable. Someone might be asking, so what can I do? Here's what you should do. Get tested and vaccinated, especially for hepatitis B virus and the human papilloma virus. There are vaccines for them, so get vaccinated. Okay, and then also get tested regularly, because most of these STIs don't show signs or symptoms. So you need to get tested regularly, especially if you are exposed to multiple sexual partners. Don't assume all is fine. Don't assume that you're good. You should get tested. Go for your routine checkups, whether biannually or annually or quarterly. Just ensure that you get tested regularly so you're not taken unaware by some of these STIs. This is very important. You should treat as important. Okay, get tested today so you know where you stand. Now, also, you need to prioritize prevention. Use condoms and avoid multiple sexual partners. Okay, because I tell you the truth, some of these STIs can be very, very harmful, because most of them don't demonstrate any signs or symptoms. They could be there causing harm and you're not even aware of it. So please avoid multiple sexual partners and use condoms. Now, symptoms of sexually transmitted infections vary by the type that has been contracted. Some may not necessarily show or demonstrate any symptoms, but if you do have symptoms, they may appear around your genital region, and this may include bumps, warts, or sores around your vagina or penis, vaginal discharge, vaginal bleeding that are different from your normal period. Okay, experiencing pain during sex, and then also painful urination. Okay, you could experience swelling or severe itching around your penis or vagina. All of these are symptoms that could be pointing to the fact that you might have contracted a sexually transmitted infection. If you notice any of these symptoms, please quickly speak to your doctor about it so that the needful can be done and the damage averted. Because if you stay back and do nothing about it, it will cause issues. Now, finally, contracting an STI, even the incurable one, can be manageable. But it is better you don't have them than you have them and you are managing or trying to deal with them. So it's better to stay healthy than to be unhealthy and try to manage the situation. And that is why you must be conscious about your health status. Go for your routine checks and your vaccination and ensure that you are fine. Because some of these STI, like I said, don't demonstrate symptoms or signs. You don't get any signs, you don't get any symptoms, they're just there causing harm. And some of them can actually cause infertility, both in men and in women. So you need to know where you stand so that you can continually live a healthy life. We don't want a situation whereby in years to come, you're battling with infertility issues, you're battling with low sperm count, or battling with erectile dysfunction. All of this can be avoided if you know the facts about some of this STI. You protect yourself against them, avoid multiple sexual partners so that you can continue to live a healthy life. Be passionate about your health just as you're passionate about your business. Be passionate and be concerned about your health just as you're concerned and passionate about spiritual things. This is very important. You want to continue in business, you want to continue in that education, you want to continue in that contract or in that career pursuit, you need to be healthy. If you're not healthy, I tell you the truth, you cannot live an impactful and meaningful life. And that is why you need to get tested today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Before I go, please always remember that early detection is key to a successful treatment, and you need to be intentional about your health status, because actually your health is the most valuable asset that you have. See you some other time in my next video. Until then, keep living a healthy life. Bye for now.